what you've seen in that video. Sounds like rod knock, and today I'm gonna see what's wrong. So I parked the car, in the middle of the garage, and as soon as I, start it up again after I removed the valve covers, the spark plug kind of just shot out of cylinder 3. Kind of got smashed on the grounding strap. There's no oil. It was just like a loud bang, and then I checked. The threads are fine. So yeah, it's not looking good, but also there's no damage. Maybe it was just like a loose spark plug. I'm gonna remove all the spark plugs and then drain the oil, see if there's any like metal or weird things in there. Timing seems fine. That shit was scary though, but I thought it was the cam gear. That's why I started the car again, to inspect it with the covers off, and that's when that shit happened. Looked like even the top of that was hitting the plastic the whole time. Yeah. Interesting. But yeah, so I've been dailying the Lexus, the rowdy car. So if this engine is toast, then yeah, I don't know what to do. But hey, I'm gonna document this and see what happens. Yeah. Damn. It's a clean car though. Alright, so I took all the coil packs off, and spark plugs are all still in there except for 3. I think 1 is a little loose. So far no like damage. I'm gonna replace them. I already have a brand new set. So luckily I keep a spare of 464 for whatever spark plugs. Cylinder 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 is the one that shot out. You see it's pretty smashed up. I think there was oil on 1. Not terrible. I mean, it's probably a valve cover leak. Alright, there we go. Yeah. Alright, I don't know if you can see that. Pretty clean. Everything is on. Spark plugs, coil packs. I just gotta plug the battery in and then start the car. This is very nerve-wracking. All right. Hi. Come on, please. Please just be spark plugs. Please. I'm begging you. Daisy, go over there. Toyota, man. Scaring me, Toyota. Oh my god. Just spark plugs all along, guys. Hey, I don't care if I get made fun of. Torque your damn spark plugs. Please scare my dog. Daisy, you can come out now. Come here. Come here. Good girl. Woo! It's fixed. Yo, let's fucking go. Oh my god. Lesson of the day is torque your spark plugs and don't care what anybody says. I will torque a freaking eraser cap on a pencil. Damn. Now it just like rattles like a regular 1J. But I'll play that video again of the rod knock. That shit was scary, man. Oh shit. It sounds even healthier now too. Well, back in the garage for the SC. Back to being the daily for the Tracer. Oh my god. Don't you just love it when things go right? Man, I felt like throwing up earlier. This thing was gonna cost, well, like 10 grand to rebuild. We'll go 2J, I don't know, like my mind was racing. But this is the best news, man. Thanks for watching, guys.